The CCC method is a process that builds fluency and provides repetitive practice for students. Before implementation of the CCC method, you must select math facts for the student. For today, we will be using multiplication facts. Students should be tested prior using multiplication facts. Create an unknown, known, and fluent groups. If a fact is known, the student can answer the question between 3 to 5 seconds. For unknown, it is longer than 5 seconds, and if the student is fluent at a math fact, they'll be able to answer it under 3 seconds. From these groups, you can create a worksheet using facts that are unknown and that are known. Depending on your student, sometimes you can add in more unknown facts. However, some students that are easily frustrated may need to have more known facts within their worksheet. The following slide will explain how you implement the CCC method. To begin, the student will first look at the math fact and the solution. The student will then cover the fact and the solution. The student will write the fact and solution on the space provided on the practice sheet. The student will then uncover the fact and solution and compare it to what was written. If the student was incorrect, the student should cross out their error and start again at the first step. Teacher demonstration is important during this process so that the student can accurately carry out this task. Students should practice to ensure that they are doing everything correctly before continuing on their own. I wanted to put in an example worksheet of what this might look like once it's all written out. So there's a column on the left, and that is your known and unknown column. You have your column of numbers, you have the copy column, and the repeat column. When it comes to the known and unknown column, I put in 2 unknowns just because I felt like the student could handle having 2. They are, however, the same problem, and this just helps eliminate frustration. Again, it depends on the student and where their frustration level is at when it comes to these type of math problems. So again, the student is going to cover up the one column and they're going to copy the problem into the copy column. Now, for some reason they get this wrong, they're going to do the process over again, but they're going to put it into the repeat column. So they're going to cross the one out in the copy column and write it again into the repeat column while they have that math fact covered. So again, I just wanted to add this in as a little bit of an example so that you can see what it should look like when the worksheet is all set up.